Perched majestically atop Culla della Guardia, the sanctuary of the Madonna di San Luca is one of Bologna's most iconic landmarks. This magnificent basilica, dedicated to the Madonna di San Luca, offers not only a place of spiritual solace, but also a breathtaking panoramic view of the surrounding city and countryside. A visit to the sanctuary of the Madonna di San Luca is a rewarding experience. Whether you choose to ascend the portico on foot or take a scenic drive up the hill, the journey is as enriching as the destination. The long portico, stretching nearly 4 kilometers and consisting of 666 arches, is the longest covered walkway in the world. The origins of the sanctuary date back to the 12th century. According to legend, a Greek pilgrim named Theocles brought a sacred icon of the Virgin Mary to Bologna in 1160. The icon, believed to be painted by Saint Luke the Evangelist, was initially housed in a small chapel on Culla della Guardia. The sanctuary of the Madonna di San Luca is a stunning example of Baroque architecture, characterized by its grandiose forms and elaborate details. The basilica's facade is both imposing and elegant, featuring a central dome flanked by 2 bell towers. The dome, crowned by a statue of the Madonna and Child, is a prominent feature of the Bologna skyline. Inside, the sanctuary is equally impressive. The main altar, designed by Dodi, houses the revered icon of the Madonna di San Luca. The interior is adorned with beautiful frescoes, intricate stuccos, and richly decorated chapels, creating an atmosphere of reverence and awe. If you are traveling in this area, a visit here is certainly an unmissable stop.